In this video, I want to show you how to mute your Brother MFC-L2820DW. In case every time you press a button, you hear that click, you hear some beeping, and you want to be more discreet, you don't want to hear that. How do you do it? Very easy. Let's go on the screen over here. So on the main display, what we have to do is to simply go over here, click the option menu, then select all settings, select general setup, then volume, and you see over here you have beep. By default it's at low, and if you really want to hear that click, well, put it to high, but if you want to mute it, put it to off, and now everything I click will be muted. You can also mute every other settings over here. This way you for sure won't hear this printer annoying you with its sounds. But overall, this is it. I hope this was useful. Once you're done, just press the home button and continue doing your stuff. Like, subscribe, comment down below if it worked, and I'll see you in the next video.